Tony's struggling a little bit pushing his car. And I'm just being a dick and watching him do it. Whoops.
Just some lights.
I don't think that's why I don't have hair.
That's why you don't do anything.
Yeah, I brought that for, I got it earlier for you. But I was going to drink it. But you can have it.
We can fight over it.
I don't think you want to do that. You can have it. Is there Mountain Dew?
Yeah, there's some. It might be frozen.
No.
We'll call them.
Tony likes fisting black boxes. That's getting edited, right?
No.
No.
Yes.
Alright, so
Terrible person.
recap on what we did last week. We put the motor back in the car, painted the engine bay, got that bad boy mounted up. Dude, I'm really proud of that battery tray.
It's kind of nice. It's way nicer than I thought it would be.
I don't know if he'll edit any of this out, but the reason it's put up front like this is because on a front wheel drive drag car, you want as much weight above the front axles as possible to help with traction. Weight transfer in front wheel drive car is the devil. You don't want it. You want the back end as light as possible, front end as much weight as you can move up there as possible. It just helps. This is the roll cage. This is what we'll be doing today, installing that. And yeah, it's coming along.
You don't think that's going to be a restriction, do you? I just turned that foam from like this to like this, so it sits right here. And where those are, it's like it's up against it. I mean, that's not very coarse foam or dense, I guess.
Is it like stuck in there?
It's not stuck, but where that center is, you have to kind of do this with it, and then the foam.
Just pull the foam out.
I don't know, I feel like you might want that on there.
Has it been used?
No, it's new.
So they didn't test it.
Doesn't fit.
Plates in the base with the page.
We got the floor plates welded in for the main hoop. Chris is kind of getting it where he wants it. We're gonna start getting a couple things tacked in here. Put the door bars on, rear bars, and there's some braces that go from here down to the tunnel. And we'll see what that looks like here in a while.
it was warm on my hand.
Okay. That's not gonna work, is it? See what Chris is up to in here. What did we get done today, Chris?
Nothing.
Well, and yesterday. Nothing.
I didn't do a lot.
That's true. We did a lot of cleaning metal.
Roll cage, brain fart.
Is that the only thing we worked on?
Yeah,
Only thing we worked on was a roll cage.
and it's still not done.
He brought his seat. 2 days. Can't put a roll cage in 2 days. Chris brought his seat. We were gonna get it in the fuel cell, and yeah, that's pretty much where he's been most of the weekend.
Wanna go fast, Daddy?
Better get a different car. We were gonna try to put this in. It's not gonna fit behind the bumper, so we're gonna find a different spot for that. I'm gonna be down the road a little bit. You can stay, I'll just do this. Got most of the roll cage in, probably like 3/4 of it. We got the main hoop in. We got the harness bar in. We got the door bars in. Plates welded in. Both sides. It is very sturdy actually, for $130 or whatever.
No, I re-looked. It was like $250.
$250. Both of these plates welded in. We have that down bar, rear down bar welded in at the main hoop and back here.
We only use tape measure like 3 times.
Yeah, we don't use tape measures here. We still got to do one more down bar and 2 bars that go from main hoop.
Main hoop crossbars.
Sure. They go from here to the tunnel. So we got to do those 2 still, and the 1 rear down bar, and then the cage is complete, and we can move on to other things. It was interesting.
Fuel cells next.
Fuel cells next? Next?
Next. Yeah,
Like-
we gotta figure out where it's at, where it's gonna go,
Yeah.
and then
If you decide to put it up front, let's go show them up front.
Probably get the fuel system plumbed, get the lines in,
Yeah.
and then brake lines, which that won't take very long.
So, where are we thinking about putting the fuel cell?
In here. We're gonna get a smaller radiator, like out of a Honda or something. It's got like a little half radiator. Fuel cell probably go right here if we can make it work. This area.
Yeah.
One side fuel cell, the other side radiator.
Small radiator.
Yeah.
I think that's a pretty good idea. So, had a little hold up yesterday with both of us being able to be here at the same time, so a little short on time yesterday, and
We didn't get it done, but I still think we made progress.
we made progress. It's our first roll cage. We're not fabricators, we're not welders, but I don't know, we did okay for the most part. Kind of thick, but nothing's wrong with a thick boy weld. And if they have a problem with teching us, then they will let us know. If they got a problem teching us, they'll let us know, won't they?
Yeah.
Hopefully they tell us what's wrong so we can fix it. That's the only thing. So, this sheet metal we use for this trunk sucks, dude.
I think the worst they would do is just tell us we can't run over a certain time.
Yeah,
And once
or
we do, they shut us
speed
down.
or whatever.
Right.
When do you have to have a cage? 10 when you hit 10s? Or when you go below 12?
I'm sure, I forgot. If any
I'm
of you
sure
guys
that
know,
you
tell
forgot.
us.
Yeah, when do you need a cage? Probably not when you're in a Cobalt. I'm just saying.
Video coming soon. Me kicking Tony's butt.
No, probably not. Not in that.
With fluid pop. When you buy one of these cages from Summit,
The real cheap ones anyway.
well, I'm going to assume any of them that are pre-built, you're going to have slight fitment issues.
Probably.
Because like this, that was just a straight pipe. How is
Yeah,
that
show them what they expected us to have, what they provided us with, I guess.
Yeah. This was supposed to just be on there like this?
Yeah, basically.
Like that?
Yeah, like that, because we made this cut,
Yeah.
and that allowed it to sit pretty well flush on the plate. So
Yeah,
that's how they
so
shipped it to us.
We cut a little bit of an angle on it.
And they did the same thing for the front plate.
Yeah.
The front plate was not right.
We cut it so it sits like that.
Yeah.
Gives a much nicer welding area.
Are we gonna make it by the time racing season starts?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Tuned and ready?
Running.
Okay. I'm ready then. Mine's running. Anyway. Yeah, we done for the day? Done for the weekend?
I say if unless something drastic happens and I can't get over here much, then I would say 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
2 weeks, my deadline. To
Jesus.
have the car cranky.
By the 1st of March?
Yes.
Okay.
We'll
1st of March.
We'll say the first week of March. We can attempt to start this freaking car.
Okay. All right. You gonna come over during the week?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, when are you starting first?
March.
Oh, so then there we go. I'm gonna be over here every day then.
Okay. In March. So 3 weeks. By the end of the first week of March?
Yes.
That's 3 weeks.
Okay.
Okay. 3 weeks. 3 weeks it's gonna be running?
Attempting to start.
Attempting to start. 3 weeks is gonna be attempting to start.
As in, like, the engine will crank on its own, the engine management will be wired, fuel system will be in place, everything to where it's just tuning at that point.
Gotcha. Okay. 3 weeks. You heard it. So March 7th. 8th. March 7th or 8th. All right. You heard it. Thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and share. See you later.
Leave a comment.
Yeah, that too. Leave a comment. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share this video. While you're here, check out some of our other videos. We appreciate you watching. Thanks for hanging out with us. See you later.